Hi there, students. For all your worth, for all he's worth, for all one is worth. This is a prepositional phrase meaning to the utmost degree, to the fullest possible. So I had to get the news to him as quickly as possible. So I ran for all I was worth because his phone was not switched on. Yeah, I shouted for all I was worth so that they might hear me, but they still didn't hear me. So if you do something for all you are worth, you do it with the maximum you can. You put your everything into it. Yeah? It's for all you are worth. This worth is talking about value. So you have absolutely everything inside it to the fullest extent possible. Yeah, to the furthest extent of your powers, to the utmost. Yeah, he tried for all he was worth. Yeah, he fought for all he was worth because his life was at stake. Yeah, okay, so he's doing absolutely everything. He's putting all of his effort into it. We pushed the car for all we were worth, but we couldn't make it start. Yeah. Okay. So you're putting all the effort you have, all the energy, your fullest self to the greatest degree, to the greatest extent possible. When I saw the police were coming, I ran for all I was worth. Yeah. Or this phrase, I'm going to sue these people and take them for all they are worth. Okay, so as much as they have to offer. Yeah, and this is maybe a little bit more literal as well. So we need to try for all we are worth to get this done. Yeah, if we hurry for all we're worth, we might just arrive before the train leaves. So intensely, vigorously, with as much effort as you can supply. Yeah, time was running out and the deadline was near, and we were working for all we were worth. The boat was sinking and we were bailing out water, throwing out water for all we were worth. Yeah, as much as we could. Okay, and this is the idea of for all one's worth, to the fullest extent of your efforts. So, formality. This is an informal phrase. I think I'd probably give it something like 3.5 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. I guess you could use it in a semi-formal conversation, but a semi-formal writing, maybe, probably not. Yeah, and then okay, for all your worth, for all your value, you've got this word worth, meaning the value of something. Yeah, okay, so for all of your value, for all of your worth. Yeah, so enough. I hope you study English for all you are worth. Yeah, watch your videos, for my videos, for all you're worth. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. For all one is worth, for all you're worth.